Hi, this is Swaba Real Estate presenting a warehouse nearby Sheikh Zayed Road, approximately 3,500 square feet, and we have many other options as well. This is air conditioned warehouse basically. So this is ground floor with mezzanine floor. So basically this is the warehouse, and the air condition is there. It's air conditioned warehouse and with offices. It's a built-in offices, and with built-in pantry, and there is toilet as well. So this is the warehouse. Okay, and the mezzanine floor is coming like this. If we go to the mezzanine floor, with new sprinkler system. Okay, this is the warehouse. Air condition is there. 2 air conditioning in the mezzanine floor, 1 air conditioning in the ground floor. So basically this is the warehouse with the new builded and sprinkler system with air condition, with loading unloading area. This is the main gate.